Did you know the human brain is the universe's most complex structure? It drives everything we do, experience, and feel. In this video, we'll explore some of its most fascinating facts. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of your own mind. First, let's understand the brain's structure. The brain contains about 86 billion neurons. These tiny cells are responsible for processing and transmitting information. They communicate through trillions of connections, called synapses. This incredible network helps us think, feel, and move. Next, consider the brain's energy consumption. It uses 20% of the body's energy, despite being only 2% of our weight. This high demand is due to its constant activity. It controls everything, even while we sleep. Now, let's talk about plasticity. The brain can change throughout life. This ability is known as neuroplasticity. It allows us to adapt, learn new skills, and recover from injuries. For example, stroke survivors often retrain healthy areas to regain lost functions. Let's not forget about memory. The human brain can store approximately 2.5 petabytes of information. That's about 3 million hours of TV shows. Memories are like intricate webs. Each experience connects to others, making recall easier. Imagine this scenario. You're at a party. You hear a song that reminds you of a specific moment. The smell of food brings back childhood memories. This shows how our senses trigger memories. Your brain constantly links experiences for deeper meaning. A human brain is a mystery, a miracle, and a machine all rolled into one. Your brain generates about 20 watts of electricity, enough to power a dim light bulb. And yes, that means all your thoughts, emotions, and decisions are fueled by real electric energy. Pretty shocking, huh? With over 86 billion neurons and 100 trillion connections, the human brain is the most complex structure known to science, more complicated than any galaxy we've ever discovered. And you've got one just sitting in your head, probably not even charging rent. Here's a cool one. Your brain can actually reprogram itself. It's called neuroplasticity, and it means your brain literally rewires connections based on what you learn, think, or even imagine. So yes, thinking differently can physically change your brain. Heard the myth that we only use 10% of our brains? Total nonsense. Brain scans show we use virtually every part, and most of it is active almost all the time. So go ahead and delete that old trivia fact: your brain is always working, even when you're asleep. So yes, your brain is more productive asleep than most of us are on Mondays. So, the next time you forget your keys or walk into a room and forget, why cut your brain some slack? It's doing a million things at once and still letting you binge YouTube at 2 a.m. If you learned something new today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to Fact Fuel for more bite-sized brilliance every week. And remember, your brain just got a little bit smarter. Use it wisely.